Helpful Home Service Guy. We're kicking off our Helpful Home Service series, and what we're going to do is talk to you guys about tips and tricks where you can make sure that your home is safe, comfortable, when you can do projects on your own, and when it's time to bring in a pro to solve the problem. Today on the Helpful Home Service series, we're going to talk a little bit about knob and tube. We've got a great opportunity here in this 1925 beach bungalow to take a peek just exactly what it is and how it works. Okay guys, we've kind of got a little bit of a rare opportunity here because we kind of have x-ray vision on today. We can actually take a peek and see what knob and tube wiring looks like, how it works, and why it's called what it's called. So up here, you have really two things happening, right? You've got two wires feeding power to a space. You have a knob, which are the things that actually hold the wire that's got a fabric cloth wrap insulator around it. And then you have a tube, right? This white tube here, where the wire travels through the wood or it's mounted to it. That's why it's called knob and tube wiring. If this ceiling wasn't out of here, we wouldn't know that the knob and tube was here, but there are a couple telltale signs for you to know that you might have knob and tube in your house. And one of the biggest ways is whether or not you have grounded outlets. So if that third prong is present, it might be grounded. Doesn't mean it necessarily is, but it could be. But if there's no third prong here present in your receptacle, it means that you don't have a ground present. One of the other ways that you can tell knob and tube right off the bat is if you live in an older home and you have receptacles that are all the way down horizontally in the baseboard where there would be a trim board along here, that's almost always knob and tube wiring. So these are the ways that you can kind of tell what you may or may not have in your house and make sure you're staying safe. You can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Ace Hardware Home Services, also on our YouTube channel to see more of this series.